This is the first time our Doberman puppy has gone to the beach.
Yeah. You look very golden.
Wait, mate.
Yeah.
Alright, ready to go, dogs.
Now in the presence of a
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Release the Kraken!
Good boy. Come on, scaredy cat. Come on, Moki, come on. Come, come.
Listen.